Hi everyone, and welcome. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. So, let's get into it. Today's spotlight is on the KBDiy GMK Bow Keycaps Cherry Profile Retro White and Black Double Shot PBT Keycap 7U for Mechanical Gaming Keyboard Keycap Set. I want to talk about a problem that I know a lot of you can relate to. Finding a good quality product at a fair price feels almost impossible these days. There are so many options out there, but most of them either compromise on quality or charge way too much. That's exactly why the KBDiy GMK Bow Keycaps Cherry Profile Retro White and Black Double Shot PBT Keycap 7U for Mechanical Gaming Keyboard Keycap Set caught my attention. This product strikes the perfect balance between quality and affordability. The materials are top-notch, the craftsmanship is excellent, and it's designed to meet your needs perfectly. It's the kind of product that makes you think, why didn't I find this sooner? And right now, you can get it at a discounted price of just US $28.53. This discount won't last forever, so now is the time to take advantage of it. The proof is in the reviews. This product has earned outstanding ratings from thousands of happy customers. It's been purchased by people in countries all around the world, and the satisfaction rate is through the roof. If you're ready to make a smart purchase, click the link in the description below to order yours today. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to stay updated. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.